Hi folks, thanks for tuning in. Now, you've probably clicked on this video because you may have travertine flooring and you may be interested in having it cleaned professionally. So I figured I'd just make a short video just to show the results that we are achieving here on this beautiful travertine floor. There's a lot of it in this house, so the noise you can hear are our drying equipment, and as you can see where we've cleaned and where the floor is still soiled, just to give you a comparison to show you how much better the floor can look once it's been deep cleaned using professional equipment. Okay, so I'm just going to introduce you to the equipment that we're using. So unlike some companies that use rotaries, that use a spinning disc, these two machines actually oscillate, they vibrate. And the good thing with that is you're not going to get any fling ending up on the walls. Plus the fact these machines will get right into the corners and right up to the edges without actually damaging any of the skirting boards. And that special pad is getting right into the grout lines, and we're not having to use high pressure water here. Okay, the oscillating action of that pad with the specially formulated cleaning agent that we use is exclusive to ProSteamUK. Okay. Nobody else, unless of course they're a Car Cleanse UK operator, has access to microcleanse. We're not just cleaning the floor, we're also disinfecting the floor as well. As you know, especially in rural areas, you're going to be walking in all sorts of things, not just dirt. So it's always good to know that we're not just cleaning the floor, we're actually killing bacteria. Bacteria is the main cause of odours. So if we can remove the bacteria, we remove the malodour that's been nagging you for many months or weeks or whatever. So as you can see, the cleaning action of that machine plus the let's do that little bit there, Ian. Let's go right up against that koi mat. Okay, the cleaning action of that pad with the product is unstoppable. So we're not using high pressure water here to clean this travertine. Some companies will go straight in with a spinner tool, but it's really not necessary in this case. It's going to over-wet the floor, possibly damage the grout lines. This particular floor has underfloor heating as well. We don't particularly want to be hitting this floor with high pressure, 2000 psi of water, because if it does get beyond those grout lines, we're in serious trouble. You don't need a sledgehammer to crack a nut, as they say. We've very nearly come to the end of this travertine cleaning and sealing job. It's the second day today. So all last night, this floor has been drying out. We've left specialist drying equipment with the client, and today it has been dried and it's now sealed. We've applied an impregnator to the floor, and the impregnator will help to repel liquids and prolong the life of the floor and obviously the condition of it, because a stone floor that hasn't been sealed is just going to attract mud and all sorts of stuff and that. So it's important to have some protection on stones such as travertine, which is what you're looking at right now. So we're just about to replace some of the furniture. Ian is just about to vacuum the sofas before we put them in back into place, only because they have dog hairs and stuff on them and that. We don't really want to drop any debris on this floor, seeing as we've just got all that trouble of cleaning it and sealing it. So there you have it, folks. Thanks for tuning in and watching. And if you have travertine floors in your property and you want them cleaned and sealed, then please get in touch. Visit www.ProSteamUK.com, and we offer free estimates, and we'll come out and have a look at your floor. Thanks for watching.